Updating an absence. To update an existing absence record, go to Absence Records. Find the employee you are looking for either in today's absentees list or by searching. When you click on the employee name, you'll see their absence history on the right. If there's an open absence, it's highlighted in green. Click on View to see the details of the absence. At the top, you can see a link to update the absence. It's worth noting that next to Update, you also have an option to edit the absence. The difference between these two options is that editing the absence does not generate any absence alerts. If you want your update to be sent to the managers, use Update instead. The update form is pre-populated with scripted questions about the absence. All the questions are worded to the employee, and where possible, the update should be logged when the employee calls so that they can answer all the questions.